Subset and superset. If all the member of set A are also the member of set B, then set A is called subset of set B and set B is called superset of set A. And we symbolize it by this symbol. For example, set A containing element 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in this case set A is subset of set B since all the elements of set A are in set B, but set B is not a subset of set A as all the members of set B are not in set A. Note, every set is a subset of itself, that is A is subset of A and B is subset of B. Empty set is a subset of every set. Now, if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then we can say A is equal to B. For example, let set A having element 2, 4 and 6 and set B where x is an even natural number which is less than 8, then in this case set A is a subset of B and set B is a subset of set A, and hence A is equal to B. But in case where set A is not a subset of set B, then we write it as A is not a subset of set B. For example, set A having element 1, 2, 3 and set B having element 4, 5, 6. Here we can see that none of the set having the same element, so here set A is not a subset of set B and set B is not a subset of set A. Proper subset. If A is subset of set B and A is not equal to B, then it is called A is proper subset of set B and we write it as A is proper subset of set B, and proper subset is symbolized by this symbol. For example, let set A having element A, B, C, D and set B having element A, B, C, D, E. Then here we can see that all the elements of set A are present in set B, but the element E of set B is not present in set A. So here set A is proper subset of set B and A is not equal to B. Note, no set is proper subset of itself. Empty set is proper subset of every set except itself. Number of proper subset of set having n element is 2 to the power n minus 1. Power set. Collection of all the subset of set A including set itself and null or empty set are called power set of A. It is represented by this symbol. In this, every element is a set. For example, set A having element P and Q, then all the subset of set A will be null. This and this. So the question arises, how many subsets does a set have? So the answer is, if the given set has n number of elements, then its power set will be 2 to the power n element. Again, I am repeating, if the given set has n number of elements, then its power set will contain 2 to the power n elements. Let us take another example where set B containing 3 elements x, y, z, then its power set should contain 2 to the power 3 element, which is equal to 8, and therefore the subset of set B or the power set of set B will be this, 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 and this. Which is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.